Hi guys, I just want to read you something. TRT. It's not the magic bullet to whitewash over all of life's problems. It's just one of the many tools in the box. Another weapon in your armory. Think of life as a constantly evolving image on an imaginary jigsaw. Each of the pieces represents a positive part of your life. TRT, sleep, family, friends, work, money, holidays, communication, exercise, diet, nutrition, sharing, balance, inner peace, education, learning, socialization, health, charity, connectivity, culture, understanding, love, achievement, performance, community, and so on. There are always some pieces yet to be slotted into place. Others need swapping around and moving. Others are missing and yet to be attained. Just when you think the picture is nearly complete, the image changes slightly, or someone walks over it and ruins it. This is not to be perceived as a problem. It's part of the ongoing challenge. The picture is never complete. There is no complete picture. Ever. It's just a journey. Enjoy the journey. Life is the journey. Embrace life. Life is short and fragile. Don't spend it overanalyzing, measuring yourself against others and worrying it away. Don't place all your eggs in one basket. Unless you only have one basket, in which case you need more eggs. Okay. Stand tall. Walk proud. TRT is an important piece of a bigger picture. Never lose sight of the end goal. I thought that was wonderful. One of my guys wrote that on our group, TRT in the UK, and I thought it was just it was worth sharing. As some of you may know, we are running a campaign called Healthy Body, Healthy Mind. The purpose of which is to highlight the importance of hormonal health and obviously specifically testosterone in mental well-being. So we've got a quote on the top of our campaign page, which again sums things up perfectly. TRT is not a cure-all. I still get tired and experience highs and lows, like a normal person, but that's all I wanted to be. Again, this sums up the attitude of our guys. You have to be sensible. You have to have realistic expectations. You have to treat this life as a journey. Have fun, guys.